Hand washing between uses and periodic conditioning is all you need to keep your Jake and Dad cutting board ready for that next perfect cooking experience. To clean your Jake and Dad cutting board, sponge wash with lukewarm water and mild soap. Thoroughly rinse your cutting board. Wipe your cutting board dry with a clean kitchen towel. Stand it on its side to allow for a complete air drying. Never immerse your cutting board in water. Never clean your cutting board with harsh chemicals. Never wash your cutting board in a dishwasher. When it comes time to revitalize your cutting board, wash as before, and after a complete air dry, use Jake and Dad's board butter to lightly coat all sides. Leave your Jake and Dad cutting board overnight to allow for maximum penetration of the board butter. In the morning, wipe off any excess board butter with a clean cotton cloth. Your Jake and Dad cutting board will be ready for that next perfect cooking experience. For more information, visit jakeanddad.com. The Jake and Dad cutting board, handcrafted for the discerning chef in every home.